Every year in India, over 1 million people die because of the air they breathe inside their homes, and that is mostly because of the chulhas, those traditional stoves that burn solid fuels.
You can find chulhas in more than 100 million Indian households, and women and children who spend more time in home are affected the most. Let's look at Project Surya's trail and understand just how it's working towards eliminating indoor pollution.
More than 800 million people in the country like Surya Kumari rely on biomass fuel like kerosene, wood and cow dung to light the stove, leaving no room for them to escape this life-threatening smoke.
पहले हम बाहर से लकड़ी लाते थे और गाय का गोबर उससे कंडा पाथते हैं, उपले लाते हैं, उसको लगाते हैं, उससे धुआं होता है, उससे सारी दिक्कतें होती हैं, खांसी भी आती है, बच्चे बीमार भी हो जाते हैं, खाना भी देर में बनता है, धुआं भी निकलता है, धुएं से हम लोगों को बीमारियां होती हैं, खांसी आती हैं, बहुत सारी दिक्कतें होती हैं। हमारे यहाँ जब से नया स्टोव आया है, जब से बहुत आराम है, उसमें खाना आराम से बन जाता है, धुआं भी नहीं निकलता है, बर्तन भी साफ रखता है, खाना जल्दी भी बन जाता है, लकड़ी भी कम लगती है।
Indoor air pollution takes millions of lives every year across the globe. But in a move to enable women to breathe easy while cooking and reduce black carbon to battle global warming, Project Surya brings the new and improved cooking stove to India's hinterland.
So they would still be using the same kind of fuel like fuel wood, crop residue or dung cakes that they use in the traditional stove, but the quantity that is required would be much less and the cooking time is much shorter.
Packed with cleaner burning technology, the improved stove aims to bring down indoor air pollution to zero as compared to the traditional cooking stove.
Any technology has to move towards zero pollution, and the aim of Project Surya is to move in that direction, move in the direction of zero pollution in a stepwise manner. So with the current set of improved cook stoves that we have made a very small beginning in that direction, and we hope that in future we will be able to reduce air pollution levels down to zero.
Watch Project Surya's quest for zero indoor pollution on The Power of Shunya this weekend.